Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Kia Tasman 6x6. Kia has made a bold statement in the pickup truck market with the introduction of the 2025 Kia Tasman 6x6. This revolutionary six-wheeled powerhouse is a game changer, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional strength, and stunning design to redefine what a pickup truck can achieve. The Kia Tasman 6x6 is built to dominate, featuring a reinforced chassis and an advanced six-wheel drivetrain. This truck is engineered for maximum performance on any terrain. The Tasman 6 oversized all-terrain tires, paired with Kia's innovative suspension system, provide unparalleled stability and grip, making it a force to be reckoned with in off-road conditions. Under the hood, the Tasman 6x6 roars to life with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing a remarkable 450 horsepower and 520 lb-ft of torque. This is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and superior control in all driving scenarios. The design of the 2025 Kia Tasman 6x6 is nothing short of spectacular. Its aggressive front grille, bold LED lighting, and flared wheel arches emphasize its rugged nature, while its extended cargo bed adds functionality for both work and adventure. The Tasman is as practical as it is powerful, capable of carrying heavy loads while still delivering high performance. Step inside, and the Tasman 6x6 offers a surprising level of luxury. The interior features premium leather seating, a digital cockpit with dual 12.3-inch displays, and an advanced infotainment system with off-road telemetry tools. Kia has ensured that even in the most remote locations, drivers and passengers can enjoy a comfortable, connected experience. Safety remains a priority with the Tasman 6x6. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, are standard, ensuring confidence on any journey. The 2025 Kia Tasman 6x6 is more than just a truck. It's a bold statement of engineering prowess and design excellence. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts, heavy-duty professionals, and anyone who craves adventure. This six-wheeled marvel is set to challenge the norms and lead the way in the premium pickup segment. Scheduled to launch in late 2025, the Kia Tasman 6x6 is proof that Kia continues to innovate and deliver vehicles that inspire and excite. Prepare to experience the future of trucks with this unstoppable six-legged monster. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.